Welcome back, everyone. Today we are back in the garage doing a how-to video on how to install the Harbor Freight Haulmaster truck bed extender. The reason we bought this is because hauling the kayaks in the bed of this truck is pretty difficult without having that extra couple feet on the end. So went out to Harbor Freight, picked this up, and let's get it installed. All right, let's do a quick unboxing. Let's take these straps off. I've seen many of these similar devices or mechanisms on the internet. This one was $65 today at Harbor Freight. So let's see how it is in the build quality and let's get it installed. Always jump to that instruction manual. All right. All right, so it looks like it's a pretty simple construction. It looks like there is an upper piece that is your actual flat surface, and then you have a second piece that goes into your tow hitch. This is going to be a super quick, easy video. Let's get these out of the box. So it looks like this piece here is the piece that's going to go directly into my receiver hitch. So let's close the tailgate and take a look at the receiver hitch. It looks like the upper arm also came with some hitch pins, which is great. I have a few, but I feel like you can never have too many hitch pins, and I've definitely lost a few over the years. So we are down at the receiver hitch. Let's slide this guy in. Slides in pretty nicely. Get that hole lined up. And get the pin attached. All right, we got the extension part into the receiver hitch. Let's get this top part attached to the extension, and maybe we'll load up the kayaks and show you how it looks with some kayaks loaded on. Alrighty. So I don't know how high it's going to have to be for my bed, but we're going to take an educated guess and go at this height right here. Man, these pins are tough. Man. There we go. Nice. That's pretty awesome. So the bed extender is installed. Only other thing that I wanted to add on to this is going to be these reflective strips. Because this sticks out quite far, I want it to be as seen as possible. So I went out to Harbor Freight when I purchased this and bought these red and white reflective strips. So we're going to install them onto this as well in some different spots. Also remember, if anything sticks out past the end of your tailgate, you need to put a flag on the end of that object. When I'm hauling the kayaks, I will 100% have a flag on them. This is just in conjunction for nighttime driving. There we go. All right. I'm going to put one on this end here. Nice. Make sure we're seen at night. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to keep these reds to the outside and keep the white in the middle. See how that does. All right, let's see if I can do this one faster. Whoop. Hey, there we go. All right, keeping the red on the outside. Not bad, not bad. All right, I got quite a few more. Let me know in the comments if you guys think that I should take another one and put it vertically like that. Let me know in the comments. Let's go get the kayaks loaded up onto this. All right, everyone, kayaks are loaded. Let's take her on the block, see how they hold up before I get out on some highways. I'd rather them fall off on my street than on the thruway. So anything extends out the back, put a little hanging flag on it. I just have a zip tie and the flag that came with the Harbor Freight item. Let's take it for a ride. All right, everyone, that's a wrap for today's video. We just installed the Harbor Freight Haulmaster truck bed extender. I'm gonna be using it on my 2022 Tacoma to haul kayaks as well as lumber. If you like this video, please consider liking below. If you wanna give me feedback on this video, please leave a comment. If you wanna see more content like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning that bell on. We will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.